Yeah, you know, most girls out there are freaks, man. Yeah, I couldn't think about this girl name, but when I met a girl, she got me insane. I fucked her so good, she let me in brain. Now I can't think about this girl, damn, what a change. I never been hooked for a pussy, but this pussy was the best thing, oh my god. Damn, she did all kind of work, now I love the way, damn girl, let me put you on the work. Now you wanna twerk, let me hit that girl. Let me fuck the pussy all night, let me put in some work. You know like a deep sky, look at you girl. I wanna be close to you, tell me what you want, girl. I like fucking you, I like eating you, I like getting my dick sucked only by you. Ain't no go replace you, girl, cause you the best. Let me fucking say, girl, you the straight fucking best. Now I can't never say what's the good, but when me and you doing this thing, this is so good, cause I feel in love the way you fucking bring it. Your body's kinda sexy, girl, let me tell you what's changing. You're the finest girl I ever seen. I just think, baby, this ain't about you, me. I just wanna take it to a different level. Let's do this shit again. Let me put your nut best time next to me, like girl, this the best sex. Now you wanna do this thing, let's jet at the next step. You know how you really want it, the way I really want it. Picture me and you, girl, cruising down it. You know you wanna be with a nigga like me. Look at me, fabulous in the game. You see, nah, never mind the diss. I put the loyalty. Nah, I'm just gonna love you, girl, no matter where I be. Never body gonna see me, never mind where I see. Now I see the vision of being with a girl like you. Nah, I love that, girl. What you want? Tell me what you feeling, cause this is what you want. Now I want you more, no, you want me. Now tell me what you want, girl. Is this for real? You know you feeling the vibe, cause I look at you, girl. When I look at your eyes, I see something passionate. Love the blue clue. I ain't trying to diss you, girl, but this is so true. Looking like gangster like me, come from New York. I represent the shit from the way I buck the talk. What's up, man? What you wanna say? Where you from? Damn, girl, where your homegirls at you from? Nah, I'm just never trying to really scare you, cause I just want you, I really wanna adore you. Your body so banging with that booty shake, when I fuck? Damn, girl, let me put you on, let me put some work. Sooner or later, you gonna be my baby mama. Nah, fuck that. Once you is my wife, no drama. You know what that comes along, all of them calls. Now, this is the thing, girl. I just wanna see what the flaws. You know, it's a sick right here, man. Damn, girl, you know you sexy, but when I'm with you, girl, you know you want me next to me, but I just want you, girl.